For example, if you want to convert this binary number to octal number, you have to group it by 3. Here it is 100, then 110, 101. The binary conversion for this decimal number, that is for 0 it is 000, for 1 it is 001. These 8 numbers, and you can convert this number by 4 to 1 code. That is, if you want to convert this number to the decimal number, then write this number, then you have to multiply and then add this. 0 multiplied by 1 it is 0, 0 multiplied by 2 it is 0, 1 multiplied by 4 it is 4. Now add this, it is 4. 100 equal to 4. Right? If you want to convert this middle one, write the code, then write this number 110. 0 multiplied by 1 it is 0, 1 multiplied by 2 it is 2, 1 multiplied by 4 it is 4. Add this number, 4 plus 2 plus 0 it is 6. 110 means 6. If you can memorize this number, then it will be better. For 100 it will be 4, this equal to 6, and 101 it is 5. For 100, 110, 101, this is binary number, and 465 it is the equivalent octal number. So this is how you have to convert the integer part for the octal number. Now let's say 11010, but after these 2 bits you do not have any other number or any other bits, so put a 0. Now group it. It is 3 and it is 2. So the equivalent octal number is 32. Now I'll show you the fractional part. Let's say you have a number like 101011. So for this you have to group it by 3 from left to right. For this integer part you have to group it from right to left, but in this case you have to group from left to right. So it is 5 and it is 3. So 0.101011 in binary is equivalent to, it is octal. Let's say you have a number like 1101, it is in binary. Now you have to group it from left to right, that is 101, 110, and after this one you do not have any bits, so putting the 1, and after you have to add 2 zeros. So 110 it is 6 and it is 4. So 0.1101 in binary is equivalent to 0.64 in octal. So this is how you have to convert from binary number to octal number.